Before starting microgreens, before running this vertical farm, we had a grow shop. So we focused on selling grow lights and grow tents and everything in between to consumers. And in that process, we figured and found the potential of microgreens. After a lot of consideration and thinking, should we go all in? Should we just dip the toes? What should we do? We started dipping the toes and figured that that was a really interesting business and a business model. So we sold the grow shop, and now we have built up this room. And if you saw the videos, you have been following our journey. We have showed you how we have been expanding, and there's a lot of tips and tricks into how you can do this yourself. Now we are ready for the next step of our journey, and that step is going back to our roots. So we are starting up a grow shop again, simply because we feel the need is there, and we feel the response we got from you guys by putting out all this awesome content. We figured that there was really a need for a quality-minded web shop where the seeds are used all the time. Like, we keep using the seeds, so we know that the seeds we sell is always high quality. It's always high quality. Most of these lights, this is the professional lights, some of them we are using. They have been here for 3 years since we started up, and we still haven't had any issues with the lights. So that's really interesting. They are specially made for us, for the way we grow it. So we set up a grow shop where we can actually supply you guys as well, and you can get this knowledge, you can get the supply, you can get the seeds, you can get everything you need. So the web shop is called nordichydro.com. This web shop is mainly on European soil, so we are focused on supplying the European market with seeds, lights, and everything in between. And of course we would like to get out of the European borders, but right now it doesn't make sense for us when it's on the consumer side. Of course, if you have a project in America, you have a project with mushrooms or microgreens, strawberries, salads, herbs, you name it, then we can help build it, we can help supply you with all the equipment you need. Now, if you are a consumer, or if you're just starting out, we have set up a set here. This is a grow kit, and we priced it very affordable. So this, I would say, is one of the most affordable ways to get growing in microgreens. You can start testing your seeds, you can start figuring out how all of this works, how it grows. And this setup we've priced at a very low price. You can find it in nordichydro.com. There's a link to this product in the description, and we made it as affordable as possible with the highest quality possible. That's what we are focused on. We could make this cheaper, but we don't want to do that, because this is what you need if you're just starting out for the lowest amount of capital. You could take this tent and remove it and just use a rack system, and then just use the lights and get the trays and the seeds and the boxes and everything else. It's on the website. That will make it cheaper. But if you want to have a controlled environment where you actually are containing everything and not getting mold in your living room, then this set here is really, really good for you. With all the experience I have, this is the most efficient, highest quality, lowest priced microgreen startup kit in the market that I know of in Europe, in the European Union. So we made this with the intent of helping you to start up easily. We also set up a system where we are helping you. It's like a coaching program where we actually go from 0 to 10,000 euros with you in revenue in 6 months. And if you don't achieve your goal, and you still do everything that we are teaching you to do, then we will work with you for free until we get to the point where you have earned your first 10,000 euro in revenue. And you can do this with this kit. You can start up like this. We started up with a set that was smaller than this. You can start up with a bigger set, or you can start up with this. This is what I would recommend. This is what fits perfect with the coaching program that we've set up. So yeah, now it's out there, now it's official. We have launched nordichydro.com. I am very, very excited about what's going to happen and how we are going to help the European market and the worldwide market set up projects, set up things so we can grow local products, local, without use of chemicals and as organically as possible. Thanks for watching. Hope you got some value from this. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one.